Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 40 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on date and time, which is on the third position. And as you can see here, we've got options regarding date and time and the time zone. However, they are inactive. It is because we are using the automatic options. So first of all, let's turn off all of those switchers. And now we can freely tap on the options like date, and just by swiping set the date you want to use and confirm it with OK. The same situation with the time, just by swiping and tap on OK. It will be immediately applied. Here you can also decide what kind of time format you want to use. So currently we've got 12-hour format. To use 24-hour one, just tap on this switcher. You can also select the time zone, just tap on it, and here we've got the full list of available options. So find yours and tap on it. As you can see, it will be immediately applied. And of course, be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Here we've got the option, the dual clock option, so it is up to you whether you want to use it or not. Just tap on it and tap on the switcher to apply this option. And basically, the whole idea of this feature is that your device will display two different clocks. The first one with the time from the place you're currently in, and the second with the time from any other place in the world of your choice, of course. So this is how it works, and basically this is the whole customization of date and time. Of course, you can go back to all previous settings, so the automatic options, just by using those switchers right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.